Uy, small scalers.
I'll try to stop na. Ito na.
No. Careful.
Wala pa tayo.
Wala pa. Dami pa wala. Chill.
Calm your tits.
Guys, we kite through chokes, okay? We kite through chokes. Be chill about it. Okay?
Lagi galingan nyo par pag may namatay. Hindi siya loot split.
Catch mo. And then, yeah, look for me. Catch this fish guy. Si Hunter GX.
Ito hidden na na.
Spot.
Oh, na-heart ko. Yeah, catch that. Run, catch him. Don't let him get away. Nice, hold. -1 healer, nice.
Uy, sayang.
What the fuck?
Saan yung point? 2 minutes.
Gago, sino makakagather niyan?
Oh, patry.
Catch! Uy, guys, on me. Gago. Doffy.
Gigi, masuslow yan.
Hindi. Naslow yan.
Okay.
Stay charge.
Then naslow yan.
Sana. Can anyone catch him?
Ayun. Mananite armor ko yata. Yata.
Wait lang.
Ito?
Isa pa.
Catch them. Don't let them bleed.
Gago 4.4. Sino may gathering tool? Pwede pumasok.
Tigtikin ko.
Sino may gathering tool?
Meron ako.
Point 4.
Ay, meron daw.
Wait, one shot on me.
Wait. Ping.
Layo mo yan.
No, undead. Use your defensive.
Kaya ko mag-guide. Full catch na.
May potions ka.
Full catch na
May
to.
credit international pala mga puki ng inan to. Putang ina. Knight armor par.
Putang ina nyo.
Sino mga Gucci dito?
Wala na. Wag na. Stop. They're cheaters.
Mga cheater po.
Actually, kill this guy. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go kill him. Kill him.
Pwede natin catch na HUP sa misilip. If you want.
Focus on killing this one guy, okay? Kill this one. Yeah, don't go in.
Kailangan na pindutin yan.
Pwede ko.
Mount up.
Uy, 50 seconds na lang.
Mount the fuck up. Mount up.
Ay, papunta ako sa
To the point 4. Go to the point 4.
Dismounted west side.
Sige lang.
Nagmamount up ulit.
Go to the point. Actually, go to the bridge. Dismount on the other side of the bridge now. Dismount the other side of the bridge. Dismount on the other side of the bridge. That's it. Let them be. Catch. I need the tank. 3, 2, 1. This guy. Sige lang. Wait. Don't push.
Kung kaya nyo ikunin yung point 4 kunin nyo.
Nag-dismount sila, dismounted.
Come back.
Put up.
Kite. You just kite. Yo, Red Jacket.
Wait lang. May tao rin sa point 4 ah.
Sige lang.
Hindi nyo napansinin yung point 4.
Sige. You look north, okay? Look north. Ready north on 3, 2, 1. Give me north. Wipe them. No kite. Hello? Southeast, boys. Southeast. Nice.
Royal Jacket.
Southeast muna. Regroup.
Jacket ko.
Walk up again. Stagger now. Ready now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Give me shallow. Gago. Patayin nyo north. Actually, run them over a little.
Sir, color on me.
Kiting sila tayo.
Color.
Careful now.
Color low.
Ready north. Cool down steady. North now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me here. Patayin mo. Sige, just keep pushing. While you get
Pang push ko na nung ano.
Gucci Kingmaker, healer on me.
Go north. Hello?
Bomba.
South tayo.
Gucci on me.
Homeless man. South.
Face homeless man.
Small scale.
Yo, why you the choke? Yo, guys.
Undead, bumalik ka na.
Come back up. You chill.
Kiting tayo, kiting.
Ready. Inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Kill the choke. Kite south. Full south now. Full south now. Full south.
Sige,
Full south.
stagger yung baba.
Full south.
Jacket.
Full south. Full
Jacket
south.
2,
Full
jacket
south.
2,
Full south.
jacket 2,
Royal
jacket
jacket, just royal jacket, just royal jacket, just royal jacket. Royal jacket.
Okay,
Yo,
hold
take
ko
your
sa
angles,
chok,
take your angles, take your angles, take your angles, take your angles, take your angles. Cooldowns ready, cooldowns ready. Walk up a bit, walk up a bit, walk up a bit, walk up a bit. Yo, Undead, can you stagger? Yo, wait. Chill. Come back. They're just baiting. Come back a bit. Wait. Ready? Wait. What is it?
Likod.
Yo, heal up muna. Come up the choke.
Go back up.
Up the choke.
Tilman ditang
Where
watch
they?
behind.
Where they?
Dito.
Sa baba.
Dito pa rin. Can you kill the cheater?
Huwag pa counter call. Focus.
Do not dismount
Let-
anyone. Ready, okay? Wait. You can Undead, can you stagger once? Stagger. Actually, on this guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Kill this guy. Come back. Come back. It's okay. Come back. It's okay. My detox, be careful.
Jacket to,
Reset
jacket to,
your
jacket to.
cooldowns, reset your cooldowns. Where are they now? What are they doing?
Ready.
Dito pa rin. Dito. Ping.
Walk up a bit. Walk up a bit. Careful with the group dungeon.
Hindi,
Kailangan
kailangan
pindutin yan.
Southeast
Careful
side.
with the group dungeon.
Ay,
Okay.
nag-hold sila ng
May third party ah.
Sige. Yo, ready.
One
Ready,
ditang
North?
watch behind nga.
Gago. Yo, ready in 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Kill this guy. Can you kidnap this guy?
May flank.
Nice kidnap. Hold.
Jacket to.
It's a shitter. Chill out.
Balik.
Keep walking.
Dismounted behind ah.
West. Keep walking west. Yo, look west now. Look west. Gago, this is neutral. Go north.
Pushing yung ano.
Ready, east now. 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Hit me.
Nice.
Keep discarding. Go north. Full north for now. North. Kill my tanks. Yo, careful. Go north. Keep going north.
Jacket
Yo,
two,
heal my
jacket two.
tanks. Chronos in my tanks. Doffy needs to live.
Takbo lang.
Come northwest. Yo, ready. Keep walking north. Heal me. No,
Ready,
look south.
ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me south. Anything. Just keep walking north. Oh shit, run north. Heal up. Pats. Go north. Run north. We're getting broad. Keep running north. Keep running north. Run north. Heal up. Gago. Tangina, dami nagano. Yo,
Daming third party.
Run.
Parang
Just full run. This is 4 parties. What the hell?
Hindi, may mga one shot din kasi. Yung
May one
sinasabi
shot
ko kanina.
sa yung nakamount.
Sige lang. Just keep regrouping together. Just keep running and regrouping. You have D-tanks. I know, I rigor fast. Fuck this.
Guys, sabi ko yung D-tank, mag-usap kayo kung sino titingin sa likod. Walang nakatingin sa likod kasi.
Sige lang.
Ang gulo ng
May nilisig.
Tapos yung D-tanks wag masyadong sobrang deep. Parang sobrang deep nyo kasi naiiwan kayo. Ang hirap. Nawawalan kami na D-tank sa Zerg, tas nabubugbog kami sa likod. Kailangan pa ba ng tulong to mga naiiwan? Kaya ko mag-ukult. Wait lang. Mag-ukult ako sa inyo ah. Kung kaya nyo tumakbo, itakbo nyo.
Patay ako.
Rigor fast.
Ano
Yeah,
yun?
they're still fighting. They're still fighting.
Ay, tutok sa akin.
Reawaken, isang healer reawaken.
Healer
Ay,
Reawaken.
Naka-hindi.
Kronos.
Rigor fast if you can.
Call mo Kronos pag okay na agro ko.
Pawigan ako.
Okay na.
Rigor fast. I'm coming back out. Fuck this shit, man.
Salamat.
Where are you guys? You guys good?
Here, yeah, we're good.
Where are they now? Are they chasing you?
They're still fighting in the southeast side.
Look for me. Yo, rigor fast. I need my Spirit Hunter specially. Let's go. Fuck. Full check OC, memes, everything. What is this?
Di pa tayo nag-OC pala, no?
Hindi ko lang call.
Pusin ako kanina.
Sana sila? Wait. Come back for now.
Ba't parang tayong pinagtutulungan, hindi ba? Ano to
Oo.
mga to?
Kaya tutulungan
Hindi.
tayo, ang dami.
Tayo kasi yung malapit sa mga one shot.
Dapat nagpa-east yata tayo ng tayo dapat.
Dapat nagpa-northeast.
Oh, yun yung doon ako nag-call.
Guys, we will single engage on people. I will mark them. I want to hammer fuck this clap shit.
Oh.
Yo, is God in
God
Devil
and
okay?
Evil this. Yeah,
Sige,
fuck him.
keep running, God in Devil, keep running. Yo, I want
Yeah,
everyone
keep
to
running.
dismount. My D-Tanks, keep watching. My D-Tanks, keep watching. My D-Tanks, keep watching. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking.
Dismounted sila,
Full check
dismounted.
OC, full check OC if you haven't full check OC, okay? Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Ready? You see it? Voicon, you see Voicon, okay? Ready on Voicon.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Voicon now, Voicon. Can Voicon back, come back, really late. Come back. Go. Keep running to the choke now. Choke, boys. Choke. Run to the choke. It's okay. Keep running. My D-Tanks.
Meron sa likod, meron sa likod.
Ready, engage. Keep running muna. Okay? Keep running.
Ready,
Go
ready,
southwest. Walk southwest for now. Walk southwest. Ready on EDC. 3, 2, 1 on EDC now. Yes, good fucking shit. Go west. Run west.
I'm holding on the choke. Sige.
Run west. Keep running west. Nice fucking kite. I need my healers to heal my. Heal up. Keep walking. Keep running. Yo, give me cooldown check. DPS, give me cooldown check.
Ready,
DPS,
ready
give me
ako.
cooldown check. Ready na?
Ready.
Look at let me solo all now in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Pababa ng choke, pababa ng choke.
Let me solo all. Now keep walking. Down the choke. Up, down the choke. Go down the choke north.
Yeah,
Go down the
night
choke north.
timer ako. Sige, keep going down.
Yeah, keep going.
Wala.
Keep going west. We're going to the next choke southwest. DPS, keep telling me your cooldowns if you're ready, okay? Ready on Voicon, okay?
Salamat.
Voicon now in 5,
Ready
4,
now.
2, 1 on Voicon. Keep running. Choke, boys.
Yeah.
You have to ready your pots in case, okay? Ready your pots.
I have night armor.
It's okay. Keep running. Yo, go south now. Walk south.
Ready, DPS.
Ready.
Huh?
Ready? On Mikaya, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this. Keep walking, keep running. Keep running. Heal my D-Tanks.
Dito na
Yo,
yung
I
mga
want
one shot. Nasa atin ulit yung mga one shot.
Sige, careful with the one shot. Keep walking south. Keep walking south, boys. Keep walking south. Cooldown ready.
Ready tayo.
Ready.
Naiwan na sila dito.
HIV in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on HIB. On HPB. Gago, keep running. Choke on the south. Keep running to the choke on the south. Run to the choke to the south. Keep running. Yo, Kronos, heal up fast. Kronos, heal fast.
Patay na.
Keep going.
Okay, hold ko sa choke.
Cooldown ready. On this healer on inside of us now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healer now. Kill this healer. Gago, tang ina. Keep walking southwest. I need to read. I have to.
Sorry.
Ukol.
Keep running southwest.
Jacket 2.
Keep running southwest.
DPS.
Ready on this T-tank now in 5, 4. Go back muna. No. Wait. We need to regroup. Come south for now. Hold.
Gucci gang.
Regen. Yo, kill the mobs around us. I need to regen. Don't kill the spider. Don't hit the spider. Come south.
Paparayo heal nga po na saglit. Yan, thank you.
What?
Kanina pa daw kasi siya low.
Corner.
Need one more heals.
One more healer.
Hindi, namatay lang si Kronos.
Namatay lang talaga si Kronos kaya nakulang, okay? Wait. Leash the thing, mount up. Mount up now. Where they? Dismount here.
May break side.
Dismount here.
Kill the mobs.
Look east now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voicon. Yo, Q's and W's on this guy. Kidnap this. They're leaving him. Q's and W's on this guy. Yo, kidnap this guy. Nice. Yo, come back. They're looking. Go southwest. southwest, 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 southwest. Careful with the Heron Spear. Careful with the Heron Spear. Keep going southwest. DPS check, DPS check,
Ready,
DPS
ready,
check.
ready.
Ready. Chill out. Ready. Inside of us now in 5, on my 4, 3, 2, 1. My hand now. Good fucking shit. Go southwest. Go southwest.
No, wala akong occult.
Go southwest. Gigapat. Nice
Ay, tama
fucking.
ako.
Nice. Keep walking. Cool down,
Yeah,
check. Cool
I
down.
hold them, hold ko sila.
Southwest.
10 seconds.
Jacket to.
Keep walking. Ready now.
Ready, tayo. Ready, tayo.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit them. General hit. Keep walking now. Keep walking now. Go south. Angle south
Yan,
now.
wait lang.
Angle south.
Fuck.
Keep going south.
Potions
Keep
now,
going south.
potions.
Keep going south. Keep south. Not west south. Go hard south.
Ready tayo.
Cool down, ready? On Kalen, break in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him, break. Kill him. Go south. Keep going south. Keep running south. Cleanse.
No
Nice
cleanse,
fucking.
no cleanse.
Keep running east. South. Southeast. Yo, my Robo Purities.
Pangit ng healer mo, Sultan.
Nice fucking hold. Keep going southeast. Keep going southeast.
Sige, hold
Keep going
ko. Keep running. I hold.
Ready? On
Ready,
Miha in
ready,
5,
ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. On Miha now. Guys, Miha. Go southeast.
Gago, inaano tayo, pinagtutulungan tayo ah.
It's okay. Keep running. We
Jacket
go
to.
northeast now. Kite northeast.
Occult ako.
Yo, ride the occult. Ready.
Ready tayo.
On this suck bus in 5. Wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Suck bus now. Wipe this guys. Now keep going northeast now. Northeast.
Pa-jacket. Kung may jacket. Pa-jacket.
Okay, keep going northeast.
Good job.
Wait, what are they doing? Keep going
Wala,
northeast. Down the choke for now. Down the choke. Where are they? Chill. Ready? Wait. On, let me solo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On solo all. Kulang. Keep going. Northeast now. Northeast down the choke. Go north now. Go north.
Jacket.
North.
Jacket
Walk
to.
north.
Jacket to.
Walk north.
Hindi sila pumapasok ng choke.
Sige lang. Angle yourselves. We're gonna go straight northwest. Okay, we're going round and round. Ready. No, on Volcon in 5, 4, 3, 2. Volcon now. Kill this guy. Nice fucking shit. Go northwest. Northeast. I mean. You defense.
To.
Uy, tangina mo. Ay,
Cool down. Gagi.
North. Go north.
Going net lang.
Kill under tank. Nice fucking.
May
keep going
mga-
north.
Ready tayo.
Yeah. North. Run north. Just keep running north. Ready cooldowns.
Ready.
Keep going. Wait, actually, go west. Look at this homeless man guy. 5. Wait, no. Actually, hold. Keep going up. Go up the choke. Yo, under tank needs to live. Keep going up the choke. Ready? Full counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. General hit.
Nice.
Go west.
Nice.
Di pa
Kahit lang.
Di pa tapos.
We are still kite comp. Go south now. South now.
Sige lang. I'm watching the front. Sige lang.
South.
Kahit lang base. I'm watching the
Ready.
5 seconds. Ready. On solo all in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Solo all can die. Can solo all die. Keep walking. You know the drill. And so do I. You know
Yeah,
the
holding,
drill.
I'm
And so
holding,
do I. Heal up. Heal up. Ready. Cool downs.
Ready tayo.
4, 3, 2, 1. General hit, boys. No, south. You know the drill. Round and round we go. Round and round. It's okay. They're cheaters. Go round and round, boys. Round and round we go.
I'm holding. Keep going. Sige, I'm holding lang.
Suck bus in 5. Wait. 4. Wait, no. Keep going north.
Sorry.
Hold ako.
Go north. Come back a bit. I think they're done. They're fucking tired of us. Yo, Walk up a bit. Walk up a bit. Walk up a bit. Walk up. Yo, DPS, can you make this? Make this up.
Yeah.
Avoid- Yeah, come back. Wait.
Nagdidigil
Hold.
sila, nagdidigil. Sige lang, nagdidigil sila.
Wait. Go back down. Go back down the choke. Go back down the choke. It's okay. Yo, can we kill Mihaha? Milyaha. Okay?
Wall.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Milhaha. Come back. That's not Milhaha at all.
I'm holding, I'm holding.
Same thing. Do the same thing.
Cleanse.
Go north. Round and round we go. Round and round. It's okay. Round and round. Good fucking thing. Yo, Q's and W's,
Ito.
this one guy.
Kahit lang,
Nice occult,
guys.
nice occult,
Mid,
nice
mid,
occult.
mid.
Right, occult. Try the occult. Sultan needs to live. Ready, engage, okay? Ready, engage.
Ready tayo.
Look east in 5, 4, 3. Pang ina yan. Yo, go back.
Bago Pernara.
Go back.
Sige lang, Pernara,
Go,
takbo lang.
Pernara.
Takbo lang, Pernara. takbo
Yeah,
lang.
ako na, hold ko. I have hold. I have
Cool down, ready?
Yeah, ready tayo.
May waga, atas ka na.
Okay, sige lang.
Sige lang.
Don't worry.
Sakbas now. Sakbas. Can we engage on Sakbas here? No.
Yo, chill.
Rigo, wait. Resync. Go south. Walk south.
Hold. Ride occult.
Sige, ride the occult.
Dito after occult.
Ride the occult.
Nice Dim.
They're trying to flank, they're trying to...
Guys, you see these shitters here? You see these shitters trying to flank us? We kill them here, okay? Keep walking. Look on northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Northeast. Now spread.
Silence ako. Cannot.
Spread walk east. We break our thing. They're massing too much. Keep walking east. Walk east.
Ready occult, ready occult.
Walk east. No need to look at them. Cool down check.
Ready tayo.
Ready. Wait.
Ready.
Look. Wait. On Voicon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voicon now. Hit. Gold shit. Go southeast.
I'm holding. Sige.
It is okay, boys. It is okay. We chilling.
I'm holding.
We chilling.
Keep running.
Royal Giant.
Southwest fast.
Ready tayo.
No. Keep going south.
Ready.
Keep going south. Ready on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke. Now keep going south. South now.
May cult. Asan yung cult ko?
South baby boys.
Okay, na-win wall ko. They're going around.
Cool down ready. On Voicon, okay? No, keep going south. He's too inside of us. Keep going south.
Ready.
Ready on Voicon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Voicon now. Oh my god. Fuck. We fucked up. Reset. Keep going south.
Cleanse.
We're too stuck in. Yo, heal up. Fuck.
Potions and heal.
Pull out. Nice fucking heals. Ready. Cool down ready.
3 seconds tayo. GG.
Okay.
Ready.
Pababa na tayo ng choke, ha?
Sige, go down the choke for now. We're too messed up. I need my D-Tanks to step up here. D-Tanks, please. Oh shit, I am so far behind. Yo, on Juni. Look at Juni in 3, 2, 1.
Tayo sa baba na lang.
Down the choke.
Baba.
Down the choke. We're getting broad. We are getting broad to the ends of the earth. Keep broad.
Dating hammer.
Wall the choke, please.
Sige.
Ako.
Sige lang.
Nawal ko.
Voicon. He should die here. Kill him.
Ready engage.
Yeah, ready on Voicon, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Voicon now. Ina kulang.
Paano nabuhay yun?
Run. We're broken. Get out. Save your subs, boys. Run, boys, to the ends of the earth. Run.
Okay, wait lang. Tutulong ako. Mura lang naman tong occult, ha?
Ay, putong ina nakatabi siya.
I'll help. Wait. Hold on.
Help Kauri. Don't let him die.
Ang hirap, Ang hirap kasi wala tayong great hammer, hammer dun. Walang,
Namatay si Asian.
Akala ko hammer si Asian. Nasan si Asian?
Namatay. Wala na yata
Namatay,
siya.
namatay. Namatay
Wala,
si
hindi ka
Asian,
bumalik.
namatay.
Wala
Wala na
na
daw.
akong gear.
Okay, Kronos.
Ako, bumalik
Gago
ako
na.
pero binenta ko yung...
Okay,
gear ko
Kronos.
na-
Takbo mo lang. Tangina. Okay, Kronos, itakbo mo, par. I-hold ko, par.
Takbo, Kronos, takbo.
Kronos.
Mount up ka na,
Mas
Kronos.
mura lang tong gear ko eh.
Ang hirap.
Sige lang, mura lang tong gear ko eh.
Get out,
Mount
just
up
get
na
out.
muna.
Just get out.
Wala na, buhay na. Okay na. Buhay na.
Get out,
Mga
get
Balik
may
na tayo.
outlaw. Spread kayo. May mga outlaw.
May mga outlaw ah.
Ang hirap ikit. Ano? Walang onion rings and shit.
Pero ano, good shit. Puta
Pero
mo.
good shit pa rin yung kiting. Siguro mas
Oo.
tatagal tayo
Mas
dun kung may
ano pa
hammer.
din, nakadasweaver ata yung ano, yung heavy mist.
Wala
Actually,
nag-heal sa akin.
ganda.
Mas may
It's just that-
quality kaysa night armor.
Tang ina nyo ha. Magbugbugan kayo lahat. Pukin ang ina nyo.
Yung pinagandaan ng sa amin tatlong night armor.
Tangin na to mga bading. Pinagtutulungan tayo, par.
Okay lang yan. Maganda nga yan eh.
Nakapagpalitan kami
Kasi
nila
nasa
Mahiwaga
best
eh. Nakapag-alternate kami ng night armor eh. Nagsasalita kami tatlo nila.
Yan.
Tangin na to, tinitrash pa ako, GG. Question mark. Pukin ang ina mo, nakipagtulungan ka, bobo.
Ang ina, ang dami nga nila eh.